Thinking of using Truecaller in 2025? Whether you are tired of spam calls or just curious about who is calling, Truecaller might be on your radar. In this video, we're giving you a full review of Truecaller, the pros, cons, and what's new. What is Truecaller? Truecaller is a popular caller ID and spam blocking app used by over 350 million people globally. It identifies unknown callers, blocks spam calls, and even lets you search phone numbers. In 2025, it's more powerful than ever thanks to AI-based caller detection, offline database support, and enhanced privacy features. Pros: accurate caller ID. Truecaller still leads the game with a massive crowdsourced database that identifies callers even if they are not in your contacts. Spam call and SMS blocking. In 2025, Truecaller's spam filter is smarter than ever. It auto-blocks robocalls, scams, and marketing calls using AI behavior tracking. Call recording premium feature. Now available in more countries, the call recording feature is seamless and stores your recordings securely on your phone. Number search. Need to look up who just called you or find someone's number? Truecaller's search bar makes that easy. Smart SMS inbox. It auto sorts your texts into personal, spam, and OTP tabs. No more digging through junk. Offline caller ID. This is new in 2025. Caller ID now works offline for previously identified numbers, handy when you do not have data. Multi-device sync. Premium users can now sync their call and message history across devices, useful if you switch phones often. Cons: but Truecaller isn't perfect. Here are the cons. Number one, privacy concerns. Your number and name might be visible to others if you are in someone's contacts, even though you can unlist your number. This is still a concern for privacy-minded users. Ad-supported free version. The free version is packed with ads. It can be intrusive unless you go premium. Limited caller info in some regions. In countries with strict privacy laws, like the Europe, Truecaller may struggle to identify some callers accurately. Battery usage. Running in the background constantly can have a minor impact on your battery life, especially on older devices. Occasional misidentification. It is not always 100% accurate. Sometimes, legitimate numbers get marked as spam or vice versa. Final verdict. So, should you use Truecaller in 2025? If you deal with a lot of spam calls or just like knowing who is calling, Truecaller is still one of the best tools out there. The free version is powerful enough for most users, but the premium plan adds real value if you want an ad-free experience and features like call recording and multi-device sync. Just be mindful of privacy settings and make sure to customize your preferences. And that's all for our today's review. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review.